Hi everyone, it's Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. So far I've sent you 3 different shines that I decided to just put out there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to merge them all together. But before I do that, I'm going to show you what we're doing and how to merge the first one with the second one. We're going to put a few basics in between so that we do not go too fast and try to not make it too difficult. Once again, the whole point of these exercises is start to get your body moving. That's the first thing. Second thing is also to shift your weight transfer. That's the key thing here. We want to do weight transfer. So let me go over, and I'm going to do it on both sides, because I know I only did the back view. We're going to do both views, and then we're going to show you how you merge it together. So the first one was this. We do a half full basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Susie Q, Susie Q. With the kick, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse turn, 2, 3, 5. Right turn. 1, 2, 3. 5, traveling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shimmy it up. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do a basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now let me do it from the front. Here we go. Basic. 2, 3, 5. Susie Q. Susie Q. Susie Q. Susie Q. Kick. 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, forward. 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 4, forward and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse turn. 2, 3, 5, 6. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5. Let's travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shimmy it up. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 4, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cross turn. Basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7. Basic. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's our shine. This is what we're going to do now. I'm going to break it down for you. This is what we do. I'm going to break it down this way. So now you have a kind of a view of how everything is front and back. And what we're going to do here is do our first basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now Susie Q. 1, 2, 3. Rotate. 5, 6, 7. Rotate. 1, 2, 3. Little kick. 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to do a 3, 3 forward. So you put your weight on your right foot and you step forward. 1, out, 2, step and shift your weight on 3, step out, 4, bring it out in front, 5, 6, step and shift your weight. That's 7, out, 8. Now when we do a 4, 4, we're going to go forward. 1, 2, shift your weight. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, shift your weight. That's 7, 8. Now reverse turn, step in, step back, rotate your shoulder, step forward, and forward. Now right turn, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we travel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where you place your weight. Shimmy it up. 6, 7, 8. Bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plant your weight. Rotate the shoulder. 7. Shift your weight. 8. Let's do a full basic now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Now 4, 4. Now the difference with this one is 1, 2, shift your weight. 3, shift it out. 4, 5, 6. Now step in front. Put your weight down and rotate here. Now we go same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shift in front. Pivot. Rotate. Now we do a basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. From here, we're going to be doing it 1 and 2 and 3. So keep your weight here. 1 and 2 and 3. Put your weight on your left foot. 5, 6. Weight on the right foot. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7. From here we do a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, with the 1 and 2 and 3, 5, 6, 7, this move here. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. 5, 6, 7. It's about weight transfer, shifting your weight. So as I step, weight transfer, weight's on my right. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, put your weight down again. 1 and 2 and 3. 5, 6, 7. What you want to do is keep your steps nice and small. There's no way we can go 1 and 2 and 3. No, you're going to fall, so keep them small. Put your weight here on the right. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. 5, 6, 7. Ga-da-ga-da-ga. 5, 6, 7. So, I hope you like that. What I'm going to demonstrate now is doing it to a little music. And I'm going to show you the first two. Then I'm going to show you another video to match it and join it all again for the next installment of these shines, putting it all together. Once again, I hope you guys like this. You guys give me a thumbs up, send me some videos, even subscribe to the YouTube channel. Subscribe, click the notification button, anything that goes so you can get notifications on our next video. And let me know in the comments below on what you think. Anyways, this is Dave from Latin Revolution Dance Academy. We'll see you next time. Bye.